Hi everyone, this is Alexey. Today is 3 of March and we start every morning market forecast for gold. Gold didn't do what I waited yesterday. I am waited and was hoped about new range somewhere here, but they started do this big range, and I think we will see movement with some provocation below than 12.16, and now on rollback will point for open short and movement to down. Should stay in position for weekend. I'm not sure if they will close somewhere here. I'm not sure because more probably they will do one more provocation, and globally balance still is long. Yes, can be range, can be some reversal situation and price will go to down, but now still balance is long and against to balance not safely left position for weekend. Thank you for watching me, subscribe to me, have a good profit day. Have a good weekend. See you on Monday.